good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very, very important day and a very important moment of the happy spring, the advent of spring in Kashmir. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are celebrating on 14th of March 2026, a very important day for Kashmiri Pandits, which is known as Thal-Barun and SONTH. And then we keep the last year's Panchang almanac for Kashmiri Pandits on this Thal-Barun day. And there are around 13 and 14 items in this Thal. One, the akhrot is very important, the curd is very important. This is, salt, this is flowers, this is cooked rice, this is uncooked rice, this is currency, this is walnut, this is Kashmiri salt, Kashmiri, and then this is pen, and this is the dt hi jai ho 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 Vignaharta विघ्नहर्ता भगवान 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 गणपत जी महाराज की जय भगवान गणपत जी महाराज की जय so ladies and gentlemen, you know that 36 years and on since our exodus, since our genocide, since our leaving the homeland in Kashmir in 1990, but the memories, but the rituals stay on. They don't go. And then each and every item speaks volumes of our Kashmiri Pandits. They take us 30, 35, 40 years back. We used to do in Kashmir when we were there. It was all goodness, it was all positivity, it was all happiness. This is what keeps us going, and this is what is life, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing beyond this materialistic life, very excellent. This otherwise dancing and going around, very important, but this is the real humanity. This is the real humanity, and this is the real life. Life is that we have to just stay and uphold our traditions. We have to love and respect and bow before our traditions. I, for that matter, sincerely, heartily thanks my wife Manju Musa Kher, which I with love we tell Sanjana Kher, for keeping the traditions alive. My wife for keeping because my mother is no doubt in the heavens, she is in the heavens, but the tradition in the home is just going, it is on. That is what is Kashmir, and that is what is Kashmiri Pandits, and that is what is Parsha. That is what yesterday it comes to my mind again and again, in that all the Iran, all the Parsha, they were standing together only to uphold their this their identity. And in same way we have to also uphold, and we have to also love our rituals and our identity, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, my mothers, Jai Ho Shada Kher. We are keeping and we are taking the traditions. We are taking the traditions forward. We are not leaving them, whatever part of the world we may be, ladies and gentlemen. But we will never ever Pyare Krishna Kher Sahab from blessing from the heavens, and Mata Ji Shada Kher, blessing from the heaven. Ladies and gentlemen, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev. What I'm just trying to tell you, ladies and whatever, wherever places in the world we may be, but our traditions, our rituals, and our fabric will always stay strong, and it will stay one and together. So happy SONTH, and happy Thal-Barun. In the morning, we have to start our day today. My mother used to take the thal when I was very small. She used to just push me like this and then wake me up and then tell me to see the thal. And that is what used to be our tradition in Kashmir, in our homes, some many decades back. But Thal-Barun is very important. And now, after 15 days, will come Navre. Navre will be entering a new year of 5102. Pasas akhat zivarias mas asan kashir but Kashmiri Pandits. I have been living for 5101 year. That is what Sanjay Kher is, and that is the message. And I am completely confident of taking this message and my existence in till eternity and for all times to come as a Kashmiri Pandit, as a Kashmir, and as a then holding the flag and holding the parcham, holding of my Kashmiri Pandit for all times to come till eternity. Thank you. God bless. Have a nice time. Happy spring and happy. After 15 days, we'll be celebrating the new year. Happy New Year also. Thank you.